Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows 11 computer is failing to download or install updates and showing error code 0x80070422, it almost always means the core Windows Update service is completely disabled. I will show you exactly how to reactivate this service and fix your update cycle right now. Let's get started. First, you must re-enable the primary background service that manages and authorizes all system downloads. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter to open your System Services menu. Scroll down the list to locate Windows Update. Right-click the entry and select Properties. Change the Startup Type drop-down to Automatic. Click Start if the service is stopped, and click Apply. Next, Windows Update heavily relies on your system's network identification to securely fetch files from Microsoft servers. Stay inside the Active Services menu and scroll up to locate the item named Network List Service. Right-click on this entry, select Properties, and ensure its startup type is set to either manual or automatic. Click Start or Restart to force a connection refresh, and then click OK to save your changes. Finally, allowing Windows to verify its own internal update pathways clears out any remaining localized software bugs. Open your Windows settings, stay on the System tab, and scroll down to select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, locate the Windows Update option, and click the Run button. Allow the diagnostic wizard to finish applying automated repairs and restart your computer to complete the process. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.